Hello, kids. It's Mr. Ag here, talking to you about your reading today. So, the big idea for me today is it's Monday, and we're going to try to ease into the week. And the lesson is that readers enjoy books. They spend time reading for pleasure. And so, I'm going to ask you to do some no strings attached reading. Your job is to read for 20 to 30 minutes in a book of your choice. And so we're going to start looking at the idea of how do you know if a book is just right for you? So good readers enjoy books that are just right for them. If the book is way too easy for you and you breeze through it in no time and it's just not challenging you in any kind of way whatsoever, you can still read those books, but it's probably not the kind of book that you want to read for your reading time at school. Just right books are books that are they're kind of right at your level. You're not having too much trouble reading the words or understanding what you're reading, and you're really truly enjoying the book. So it is your job today to find a book that you really are going to enjoy and spend 20 to 30 minutes actually reading and enjoying a book of your choice. Now, I will invite you to head into the virtual library for our Boundaries unit, which is still attached to the link on the Bitmoji Classroom here. You can have a book read aloud to you or study many of these books. That would be perfectly fine. Fine. You could also go into the EPIC library, select our class, and choose books from the EPIC library inside your account. I see that many people are working their way up the levels as they choose books on the EPIC system. And I see some people that have not really used this EPIC system very much. And at this moment, that's okay. I'd like to just remind you that this is an opportunity for choosing books that are right for you. And um, the last place we have is the Access 360 icon here. Will take you to the Indianapolis Marion County Public Library checkout site, so you can borrow books from the library that might suit you. And of course, you don't have to choose any of these three options here. You could choose your own handheld book that you are enjoying at your house. So good readers enjoy their books, and I'm giving you the freedom and the assignment to spend some time reading in a good book today, or many good books. However you choose that time, however you use that time is up to you. So good luck and have fun. Relax with a good book, get lost in a story, and I'll see you in our reading lesson today.